नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th canto, 2nd chapter, verse number 13. Atainam mapanayata krita asheshaghanishkritam yadasau bhagavan nama mriyamana samagrahit atainam mapanayata Atainam mapanayata krita sheshaghanishkritam krita sheshaghanishkritam yadasau bhagavan nama yadasau bhagavan nama Mriyamanak samagrahit Mriyamanak samagrahit Atainam mapanayata Krita sheshaghanishkritam Yadasau bhagavan nama Mriyamanak samagrahit Atainam mapanayata Krita sheshaghanishkritam Yadaso bhagavan nama Mriyamanak samagrahit
Athainam ma apanayata Krita shesha aghanishkritam Yadosho bhagavan nama Niyamana samagrahi. The most important word here is Niyamana samagrahi. Ordinarily there are discrimination of nama, namabhas and nama aparad. Shuddhanam, pure name, namabhas, almost pure, and nama aparad. Chanting the holy name with aparad. There are 10 kinds of offenses. That out of the 10 kinds of offenses, the most offensive chanting is Namnad Bala Jasahi Papabuddhi. One aparadhi is Guru Avagya. If he neglect the orders of Guru and chant Hare Krishna, then it is aparad, offense. Guru Avagya Shruti Shastra Nindanam. The Vedic literature, whatever injunction is there, if I don't obey or I decry, there are so many rules, it is not possible. Shruti Shastra Nindanam. Name Arthavad. We interpret in our own way about the Nam. And to consider the holy name of Vishnu and other names equally potent, that is Nama. Namna Gola Jasahi Papabuddhi. And because one is chanting Hare Krishna, he thinks even if I do something sinful, it will be counteracted. That is aparad. And to instruct to a person who has no interest in Hari Kirtan, that is also aparadha. So we should not be very much interested to preach Krishna consciousness if one is not very much interested. But tactfully, if you can, just try to give him a book. In this way, there are 10 kinds of offences we have discussed many times, and I think you all of you know it. So, here it is said, Mriyamana Samagrahi. Because at the time of death he has uttered Narayana. So now there is no question of offense. There is no question of offense. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita that Jishantu Antagatam Pam, by chanting Hare Krishna mantra, one gradually becomes free from all sinful reaction. Jishantu Antagatam. Te dandamaho nirmuktam bhajanti maangam. And the proof is, as it is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Antukale tu mameva smaran mukta kalevaram jab prayati samadbhavam jati nastatra samsaya. If at the time of death one can chant Hare Krishna, then he is glorious. Nastatra samsaya. Here is clearly said in the Bhagavad Gita, Nastatra. Antakal, at the time of, I have several times said, the test will be examined at the time of death. They say in Bengal, bhajan karo, pujan karo, motte janle hoy. Your austerity, penances, chanting of the holy name, all these things, just like there is examination before promotion to the higher class, one is examined in the school, and if the marks are sufficient, then he is promoted. So our promotion will depend at the time of death, where you are going. Tatha dehantara prapti, we are going to change our, death means we are going to change our body. This change of body will be decided at the time of death. It is already decided what kind of body you are going to get, but the final decision will be taken at the time of death. That is said by Krishna. How the test, everyone can understand, if at the time of death one chants Hare Krishna, then you know certainly that he has gone to Guru. There is no doubt about it. Antakala. And even there is aparadha, that is not taken into consideration. Because at the time of death, he has uttered. This is a special consideration. Antakale. Here it is said, Jadasau Bhagavan Nama Mriyamana Samagrahi. Sama means samma, perfectly. Now he is quite fit for going back to home, back to God. So you do not touch him. He is completely free. So if we are serious about our life, the method is very easy. The prescription is manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyani mang namaste. Very difficult. We are not serious. Chant Hare Krishna and hear Hare Krishna, then mind is fixed up. Sabai Muna Krishna Padara Vindayo. Our business is to fix up my mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. So this Krishna, Hare Krishna chanting will help us. As soon as we chant, we hear. It is not that simply by seeing Krishna you become perfect. By hearing Krishna, this is also another sense. We gather knowledge from different senses. Suppose there is a good mango. So when you say, let me see how the mango is, but you are seeing. No, this seeing is imperfect. You take little portion of the mango and taste it, then you can understand. So experience is gathered from different senses. Why you are giving stress only on seeing? This is foolishness. It's like you can, even if you do not taste, the mango seller may not allow you to taste, but you can smell. By smelling, you can understand whether the mango is good or bad. After all, you have to get experience. So, why you should stress upon seeing Krishna? That is the most foolish proposal. You have other senses. Krishna is prepared to be perceived by you by other senses. What is that? If you hear Krishna, then you must know there is Krishna. There is Krishna. Krishna is not different from his name, from his form. Either form or name or quality or paraphernalia, anything, he is absolute. There is no duality. Anything you perceive, there is Krishna. This Krishna temple is also Krishna. So, we have no sufficient knowledge how to understand Krishna. Krishna is prepared to be understood by us in so many ways. So, the Kali Yuga, therefore, name is so important. Kalu nasti 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 bhagavati. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Kevalam. This formula should be seriously taken. Kita Sesha Abha Niskrita. Asesha, unlimited amount or unlimited number of sinful activities are already finished. So the Jamaduta forbid them, they don't touch him. He is not fit for going to Jamalok, but he is fit for going to Vishnu Lok. Bhagavan Nama Niyama. The most important thing is how to become successful at the time of death. Chant Hare Krishna. This should be the Bhagavan Nama Niyama. That will be the perfection of life. Then they explain, Sanketang Parihasang va Stubhang Helanam eva va Vaikuntha Nama Grahanam Asisa Agaharang Vidu. Sanketa. Just like sometimes on the street, some outsider seeing you, they chant Hare Krishna only by the symbolic Sanketa, because they see that Tilak, Kanti. Therefore these things are required. Don't become immediately Paramahamsa. No tilak, no kanti, and no bid bag. this is not good. Sankit, so that others may understand here is a Vaishnava, here is a Krishna devotee, and if he is simple, he will chant Hare Krishna. This chant should be given. Therefore it is necessary. How people can utter, that chanting may save him from the greatest danger. Therefore it says Sankirtan. Parihasyam, if somebody jokes, sometimes they do that. Hare Krishna, but he is not seriously chanting, but he is trying to joke the other party who is engaged in chanting. And that is also good. Parihas. During Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's time, the Muslims, they used to joke the Hindus, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So the practice made them chanting Hare Krishna. And the police officer was informed by the constables that these Hindus are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. The police officer asked him, then why you are chanting Hare Krishna? By imitating, they become practiced to chant Hare Krishna. It is so nice. Even joking, symbolic, Sankirtan Parihas, Sobham, or praying, Hiranameva, without any care, Hare Krishna. Anyway, if you chant Hare Krishna, then Vaikunthanama Grahanam Asesa Avaram. Ava means sinful activities. So nice thing, Hare Krishna movement, somewhere or other, if we can take it very seriously, then our life will be successful. At the end of life, if we can chant. Therefore Jamunacharya says, not Jamunacharya, Kuloseka Maharaj, he was also emperor. Krishna tadi apadapankaja panjarantam uddaiva visatu me manasa raja hamsa prana prayana samay kapavatu pitto kanthavarudhana vidho smaranam kutaste. He is praying, my Lord, now I am healthy, I am quite conscious. So, this time if I absorb my mind in your lotus feet and die, it is very good. It is very good. Because in the natural time of death, the three elements, kapha, they will be dismantled and there will be different sounds and mind will be distracted, brain will be falling. So hardly there is possibility of chanting your holy name. The best thing is, now I am feeling healthy, my whole system, physical system is quite fit, let me chant and die. This is desire of the devotee. So we should keep ourselves. Krishna is also very kind. If you chant seriously without offense, even the mental condition at the time of death is disordered, Krishna will help you how to chant without any offense. So the only qualification is that we must be very sincere. Even by symbolic chanting, by joking, if one can get the benefit, why not do it carefully? Why not do it carefully? What is wrong? Be serious and chant Hare Krishna very carefully in order to get success in life at the time of death. Thank you very much.